Simple pesto pepperoni pizza. To make 2 pizzas, you'll need thin and crispy pizza bases, pizza tomato paste, shredded pizza cheese, pepperoni salami and basil pesto. They'll be ready to eat in 20 minutes. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius and line 2 baking trays with baking paper. Place a pizza base on each tray. Remove the casing from the pepperoni and cut into thin slices. Spread the pizza tomato paste over the bases and sprinkle with cheese, then top with pepperoni. Pop in the oven and bake for 12 minutes or until the cheese melts and the bases are golden brown. To finish the pizzas, drizzle with basil pesto. This simple pesto pepperoni pizza makes the perfect Friday night feast. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more 5-ingredient dinners, head to our What's for Dinner playlist here.